My old pool leaf skimmer broke. It's got these little rivets on the side there, and this one broke off here. Looks like I could put maybe a screw and a bolt in here to repair it, but I think in general this is kind of a design flaw here, where every pool skimmer I've had that has the rivets on there seems to break eventually before the net even wears out. So I went ahead and got a new pool skimmer. Let me show you what I got. All right, so what I got here is I got this JED leaf skimmer. This thing right here is just made with one solid piece, so there's not any rivets on there. This whole thing is just one solid piece here with no rivets, and then it looks like they melted the net in here and then put this metal bracket around there to hold it into place. And then the metal bracket goes down in here into the handle. It does have one rivet down here on the handle, but there's no rivets up here around it. So this thing looks pretty nice. It says here that it's the JED number 4365. It also says here that it's proudly made in the USA. So these look like a pretty nice skimmers. Looks like a good company. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out here. It looks like the mesh is kind of tight too, a little bit tighter than the other one. Let me show you a comparison. So you can see this mesh here has got the little squares in it. This one's got some thicker lines in between there. So this might do a little bit better in picking up the little pollen and stuff, because it's got the same type mesh pattern, but then it's got those thicker lines, so it's a little bit different screen. So it looks like there's the nice button here you can push, and then that will allow you to slide it into your pole there, and then to lock it into place you just let go, and then to take it out you just push those buttons again. So that's pretty nice. Locks in there pretty good. So yeah, it does do a pretty good job there. Pretty sturdy. I can bang it on the garbage can to empty it. It does feel like with that extra weaves on the net, there's a little more resistance when you're going here, when you're getting the debris out of the water. So I think it will do a little bit better job in getting that fine pollen off the top of the pool. See those little specks in there. So it looks like it did a good job of getting all that debris up out of there. Little tiny pieces of pollen and debris. They picked them all up. Yeah, seems pretty durable. Bangs on the trash can really nice. So there you go. That's the JED Pool Tools, the JED number 40-365. That's your swimming pool Pro Series leaf skimmer. Pretty nice leaf skimmer.